Hello everyone, back with another update on Vampire, the 1993 Chevy S10. I actually had shot the beginning of this update before the work was actually done, but for some reason the files were corrupt on my phone / camera. So when I went to try to edit them, they wouldn't even upload into the editor correctly. So the work has already been done at this point, but the video files that weren't corrupted, I'm actually going to show you those now. And what this is the progress of the grill replacement for the front grill. As anyone that's been following probably knows, the front right corner of the truck had some damage when I got it, and I've been working on buying a new grill and the little corner lights that go in it, and I actually bought all that and went through a few steps to get the correct grill, as you'll see in a few minutes. But I'll roll that footage now, and then I'll come back with the end of it and show you the finished product. Okay, so after doing some test fitting on the new grill, the old marker light and the new ones, I have determined that this grill is made wrong in this area, because the old light will not fit, the new light will not fit. The old light fits in the old grill, of course, and the new light fits in the new grill, or I'm sorry, in the old grill. So everything fits the old grill, nothing fits the new grill. So that is a big problem, because now unfortunately I am looking at returning the new grill for a replacement. As you can see, this light is just not setting well. You probably can't see it completely, but the back is the big issue. It is not fitting in the new grill. So unfortunately for now, I'm going to have to work on returning this grill, and in the meantime I will work on cleaning this front end up and possibly doing some painting. Okay, so I have made a little progress around the headlight area. I cleaned both of these up really well and put some flat black spray paint on them just to protect them a little bit, maybe. So now that I have the areas here that the bulbs actually sit in cleaned up and painted, I can take the new headlights and install them. I also polished up the rings that go around the headlight bulbs and hold them in place. So next up, install all that. And there we have it. 2 brand new headlights installed. They are currently on. Got the rings installed around them. Now I just have to get the grill that was apparently made incorrect sent back and order another one from a different place, and hopefully that one works out better. Used Phillips replacement headlights. I'll be able to test out the light and actually see how good it actually works. It's nighttime rolls around. This is the box that the new grill came in finally got a replacement. It just came in a few hours ago. Had to run to the auto parts store and get a few little clips to put on it to hold the corner lenses in. But here it is before the new grill goes in. New headlights already installed. I actually painted all of this. Sprayed the radiator out really good this morning. Got all the bugs out of it. And ready to put the new grill in. And we are now back. And here is the finished product. The grill is completely installed. These lights new. The grill is new. New headlights. And here's what we ended up with. The only thing that's left now on that damage to repair, which will be later down the road, is of course the fender. But that's it. That's one of the big things I wanted to get done this summer. Hit one show already, but I kind of wanted to get that grill replaced before I hit, all the shows. So luckily I was able to do it after only one show. So we have a couple more shows coming up this coming weekend. We're going to be going to Madison, Indiana for a really nice show they do down by the river, and it should be fun. Stay tuned for some more updates. Thank you for tuning in. Take care.